So hello folks, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enhance your video quality absolutely for free. So first of all you have to go on Chrome and type video enhancer here on the search bar. Now you have to go on this specific website which is vmake.ai. Now open this website and sign in with your Google account. Now after signing in, upload your file. I'm uploading this file. You can see the video quality is not good. Now I'm uploading this video. The website is working. It will take a few moments. Now you can see the result. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.